Hi everyone, today's video I'll be showing you the ways to send Bitcoin from crypto.com to blockchain. So before we begin with this procedure, first of all check your internet connection and make sure that your application is up. So in order to send Bitcoin from crypto.com to blockchain, first of all you need to copy the wallet address from blockchain. So in order to copy the wallet address, you need to log in into your blockchain account and blockchain. After that, you need to head over to your marketplace, and from there you need to go ahead and select Bitcoin. Once you select Bitcoin, on the other interface you need to select Bitcoin wallet. After that, tap the QR code icon located in the top right hand side corner. You can either copy the link or download the QR code. After you're done with this procedure, now exit out of the following application and then log in into your crypto.com. Once logged in, tap the transfer button located in the top right hand side. So once you tap on the transfer button, under it on the lower half you'll be able to find two different options. So select withdraw. After you select withdraw, you need to select whether it's crypto or fiat wallet. So select crypto. Once again on the lower half of your screen, select external wallet. Now what you'll have to do is you need to add the wallet address where you actually transferring. In our case, we had already copied the wallet address from blockchain. So go ahead and tap the plus icon located in the top right hand side corner. Select wallet address. And then next page you need to select what you actually want to transfer. So in our case we're transferring Bitcoin, so tap the Bitcoin button. Now paste in the wallet address. After that, enter a wallet name as well. In our case we're doing blockchain, so type in blockchain and click the continue button. As soon as you've done that, on the other interface you'll need to enter the exact amount of Bitcoin or the crypto that you're transferring, and then you'll need to confirm all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then click the review button or confirm button, and then you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred Bitcoin from crypto.com to blockchain. So in this way you can send Bitcoin from crypto.com to blockchain. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.